Good morning students. Today's topic is difference between voltage source and current source. The main difference between the voltage and current source is the internal resistance. When this internal resistance is quite high, it might be in mega ohm as compared to your load resistance RL, which will be in kilo ohms, then it is known as the current source. You can see that in current source the internal resistance, that is Ri, is quite high as compared to the load resistance, that is RL. This type of source is known as the current source. And when the internal resistance, that is Ri, is quite small as compared to the load resistance, that is RL, which will be in kilo ohms, and internal resistance in milli ohms, then this type of source is known as the voltage source. So the main difference between the voltage and current source is the internal resistance value. So the next topic is the conversion of voltage source into the current source and the current source into the voltage source. First of all, we should know about what is the source. Source is represented like this one. Then source is always connected with the load, which will be RL. There are two types of sources, that is voltage source or current source. Voltage source, in voltage source we have to supply the battery, then internal resistance, that is Ri, is connected in series, and there is a load is connected, that is RL. And in current source, internal resistance, that is Ri, is connected in parallel with the load. This type of source is known as the current source. Now in voltage source representations, the current through the load resistance is given by the, we know that V is equal to IR. From there we will calculate I is equal to voltage upon resistance. So in case of voltage source, I is, that is equal to supply voltage, that is E divided by Ri upon RL, series resistance. And in current source, represent the current through the load resistance is I2, that is voltage upon Ri plus RL, same. So we can say that in both the voltage source and current source, the load resistance has the same value, exactly the same value. Now we can consider the one more case about the voltage source. Voltage source in case of short circuit, in short circuit we can say it is shorted at the output terminal, supply and resistance are connected in series. And current source in a short circuit form, there is no resistance is connected here. So we can calculate the total load, that is IL is equal to voltage upon resistance, that is E upon Ri, and we can take this as equation number 3rd. And in case of current source on the short circuit, Is is equal to IL, which is same value, that is E upon Ri, and it has taken as equation number 4th. Now we can take the case of voltage source in a open circuit and current source is in a open circuit. In open circuit we can, this is the diagram for the voltage source in open circuit, where battery is connected with the resistance, and then there is a voltage V is equal to I, same voltage. And current source, there is a resistance which is in parallel with the load. So the terminal voltage when load resistance RL is disconnected from the source, there is no load resistance is connected in the open source. Therefore in voltage source in open circuit, terminal voltage will be V is equal to E, output voltage will be equal to the input voltage. This is taken as equation number 5th. And in current source, the open circuit, then terminal voltage will be V is equal to Is Ri. We know that V is equal to IR by the Ohm's law. So current is short circuit, that is Is, and resistance is Ri, which is equal to E. So from equation number 4th and 6th, from this equation and from equation number 4, which we have already discussed, that is E is equal to Ri Es, same. You can see the equation number 4th and 6th, in both the current in the current source cases and the voltage source cases, the output voltage is same. So we can say that from the question number 4, then we can say that voltage source representation and the current source representation, and at any condition, that is either short circuit or in open circuit, is a same. Thus we can say that voltage source can be converted into the current source and current source can be converted into the voltage sources. Thank you so much. Now we do some numericals in which we can see that how we convert the voltage source into the current source and the current source into the voltage source. First we do the conversion of voltage source into the current source. We have taken a question that is in which DC voltage source having the open circuit, having the voltage of 24 volt and source resistance of 0.5 ohm, draw the its equivalent current source. We are given the voltage that is 24 volt, resistance is given to you 0.5. By using the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, putting the values of voltage and resistance, we can calculate the current, which is equal to 48 ampere. Now you have given voltage source. This is the voltage source. Okay, in voltage source, resistance is series with the supply. Supply voltage is 24 volt, 0.5 ohm is the resistance, and this is the circuit of voltage source. Now it has to be converted into the current source. In the current source, what we do, resistance is parallel with the load, so resistance 0.5 and current source, the value of current is 48 ampere, which is already calculated by using the Ohm's law. So this is how we convert the voltage source into the current source. This is the current source. Next, how we convert the current source into the voltage source. There is given a figure in which we can see the current source is given to you 4 ampere, then there is impedance 80 ohm. Now it has to be converted into the voltage source. In voltage source, this impedance is in series with the load, but we have to need the voltage source. We need the voltage. Current is given to you 4 ampere, impedance that is R 80 ohm, and by using the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. From here we can calculate the voltage. So voltage is 320 volt. Now this is the current source which is given to you. Now we have to convert into the voltage source. In voltage source, the value of voltage, that is 320 volt, then impedance, that which is given, already given 80 ohm, which is in series with the load. This is how we convert the voltage source into the current source and current source into the voltage source. Any source can be used as a voltage source and a current source depending upon how source resistance is connected. किसी भी को हम voltage source और current source यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बस उसका ये पता होना चाहिए कि जो आपका source resistance है वो कैसे connect करना है. In case of voltage source, it is connected in series, and in current source it is connected in parallel. It can be treated as current source if source resistance is made parallel to the applied voltage, and it is used as a voltage source if it is source resistance is connected in series with the applied voltage. Thank you so much.